Welcome! In this video I make baked lemon garlic salmon with steamed wild rice and roasted broccoli. A semi-fancy meal suitable for a birthday or anniversary dinner, but super quick and easy enough to prepare even on a weeknight. Not only is this meal very healthy, it is also super delicious. Just be sure not to overcook the salmon and you are golden. Okay, what I've got here is a salmon fillet, which I'm just going to cut into 4 pieces. And you can see that it's already scored there. Already slightly cut, so I know where to cut, just in case I couldn't figure it out. And yes, this was frozen, but it'll still be pretty good. Fresh would be better, but this is what we got. Okay, so I'm just going to put some parchment down on the bottom of the pan. I think fish cooks better on parchment rather than foil, which is what I would usually use. And just in case you're not aware, if you haven't used frozen fish like this, that comes vacuum packed, which this did. When you're thawing it out, you want to make sure you open up that packaging to let the air in, because botulism can be in there and start growing while you're thawing it out. So just be aware of that. And usually it's on packaging, but most people ignore it. So I'm just spacing those out a little bit so they don't touch. And this is basically all the prep we're going to do right now on the fish itself. Okay, so next up I'm going to start on the marinade for the fish. Start by chopping up some fresh parsley here. And we're going to use this in the marinade and also as a garnish at the end. Okay, so we just need a couple tablespoons of that. Couple tablespoons of olive oil. This is just regular olive oil, not extra virgin. Okay, so next up we need a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'm going to fresh squeeze some here. And also, while calling this a marinade, we're not really going to marinate the fish in this, the salmon in this, because you really don't want to marinate fish in like an acid like this with lemon juice, unless you're intending to maybe serve it raw or something, because the acid will actually kind of cook the fish. It's like what if you make ceviche or something, that's what cooks the fish, so is the acid in that. So I'm just going to spread this on before I throw it in the oven. Okay. We got a couple tablespoons there. A little more. Next up we got some minced garlic. Definitely use fresh if you like. About 3 cloves. Okay, I got some Dijon mustard. I'm going to do some salt. This is just non-iodized table salt. The recipe actually calls for a fine sea salt, but I think this will work fine. Coarse ground black pepper. Okay, now let's mix this up. I'm just going to go ahead and use the brush that I'm going to use to brush it onto the fish later. I'm going to set this aside until we're ready to bake. I also need some lemon to garnish the pieces of fish. So we'll just cut up 4 slices here. So we got 4 pieces of fish. And also to be able to use this to squeeze onto the fish when you're eating it. That's ready to go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 425. Yeah, like I said, I want some parsley here for the garnish at the end, so I'm going to chop up a little bit more. Just make sure I have enough while I got it out. Yeah, I've got just one head of broccoli here that I've washed, and I'm just going to chop up the florets here, and then I'm going to season that up and get it ready to go in the oven too. Roasted broccoli is just super easy to make, of course. Okay, we'll just get this onto our sheet pan. I'm using parchment paper again for this. Could just use foil and just spreading it out pretty good. Okay, so first off, we're going to go on with some olive oil. I want to coat it all in olive oil, of course. Minced garlic. Okay, I'm just going to try to mix that up good. You could do this in a bowl, probably be easier, but that way you get a bowl dirty, so I'll just do it on here. So I should have just done it in a bowl, probably. Now I'm getting a spatula dirty. Okay, I'm just going to season that with some salt and some coarse ground black pepper. Mix it up a little more. Okay, and that's ready to go. Okay, so I got a cup of the wild rice. And as you can see, I'm going to be cooking this in the Instant Pot. This makes it super easy. Got my low sodium or no sodium chicken broth, homemade. 2 cups there. A little bit of salt and some butter. Okay, I'll just stir that around a little bit. Okay, get the lid on. Make sure the vent is set to seal. Cook this for 18 minutes. Okay, the oven's all preheated. Time to cook the salmon. Going to cook the salmon and the broccoli, actually. So, like I said, we're just going to brush on this marinade or sauce, whatever you want to call it. We're not going to let it set. We're just going to brush it on and throw it in the oven. Okay, now we'll just put a lemon slice on top of each piece. Just got to get them proportional there. Okay, into the oven. We'll throw the broccoli in too. Cook them both at the same time. They're both going to take about the same amount of time, so. Set our timer for 15 minutes. Okay, so our rice is done cooking, but we want to let it sit here for about 15 minutes, let it do what they call a natural release, and just let the steam kind of go down, temperature go down. And we'll just release whatever's left in there. That's good, nice and hot. You can see a little bit, I just stirred this up and there's a little bit of juice left in there, but if we just stir that around and let it sit for a minute, most of that will disappear, it'll get absorbed or evaporate, and it'll be perfect. Okay, so our salmon should be done here. Let's just check this here. I want to get it to about 150. So that's looking good. Check on the broccoli as well. I think that could cook a little bit longer. Okay, so I'll just add on some more of this fresh parsley for garnish. Make it look a little prettier. Okay, let's check on our broccoli again. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, I think that's good to go. Okay, so here I got my plate. Let's take a bite of this salmon here. As you can see, it looks nice and juicy, nicely cooked. And some of this wild rice. That is very good as well. Broccoli. That's into it. Awesome. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to let YouTube know this is the type of content you like to watch. Comments are welcome.